Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best window insulation is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of home winterization, but it can make a huge difference in your comfort and energy bills. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of window insulation, exploring various products and techniques to keep your home warm and cozy all winter long. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced methods, helping you make informed decisions and transform your home into a winter haven. Number 5. Duct Brand 10 Window Shrink Film Insulator Kit. Are you tired of high energy bills? This kit is designed to help you save money. It insulates your windows to keep the cold out. The film is crystal clear, so it won't obstruct your view. It heat shrinks to create a tight seal, blocking drafts and keeping your home warm. The kit includes a large roll of crystal clear film. It also comes with plenty of double-sided tape for easy application. This product helps to increase your home's energy efficiency. It's a smart and environmentally friendly choice for any homeowner. This kit is designed to insulate up to 10 3-foot by 5-foot windows. It's a simple and effective way to winterize your home. What we like? This kit helps you significantly reduce energy costs. The crystal clear film shrinks to seal out drafts and cold, ensuring a snug fit. If you are looking for an easy-to-install solution to keep your home warm and your bills low, this is the perfect choice. What people say? It is so much easier. You start at the top corner and roll it across, then just unfold it down the window. Once applied, the film creates a tight seal and keeps cold air from leaking in, which makes a noticeable difference in the room temperature. The kit is easy to install. Just follow the steps, pull the film tight, and use a hair dryer to shrink it. Number 4. Frost King V73 9H Window Kit 42-62-inch, 9-pack. This product is designed to provide excellent value. It's a cost-effective solution for your needs, offering great benefits. The product is built to last. It's made with durable materials, ensuring it can withstand regular use and last for a long time. This product is incredibly user-friendly. You'll find it simple to operate and integrate into your routine. The product is manufactured in China. It's produced with quality standards. If you want to open your windows in the warmer months, you'll need to take it off. For a good seal, it's probably best to reapply them every year. What we like? This product is known for its durability and ease of use. It offers great value, making it a practical choice. If you want a reliable and straightforward solution for window insulation that is easy to reapply each year, consider this option. What people say? Every window in every home should have over your window. Double-sided tape is very sticky point when you apply heat and it shrinks and tightens. Used hair dryer, can't even tell it's even on. Keeps the cold out and the heat in. Help seal old drafty windows. Easy application and very transparent. The package came with everything I needed, except a hairdryer and my husband. The tape was easy to put on and the film came at the perfect size for my windows. It has kept the cold out of our house. Number 3. Frost King V76H Shrink Window Kit. Are you tired of cold drafts and high energy bills? This kit is the perfect solution. It helps to seal your windows, keeping the warmth in and the cold out. Installing this kit is a breeze. It comes with everything you need and the process is simple. You'll have your windows sealed in no time. Don't worry about obstructed views. The clear film provides excellent visibility. It allows you to enjoy the outside world while staying warm inside. This kit is designed to cover large windows. It provides ample coverage to seal your windows effectively. It's a great way to save energy and money. By sealing your windows, this kit helps to reduce energy consumption. It can significantly lower your heating costs. This is a smart investment for your home. What we like? This kit is designed for larger windows. It provides a clear view and is easy to install. If you have larger windows or need to cover a bigger area, this kit is ideal. What people say? Installation took about 1 hour from start to finish. Make sure to clean your window frame first so the tape sticks better. There is zero draft coming through my large front window now. Will definitely help save on my heating bill this winter. Insulates the house and reduces noise. As long as you take your time with the install, the look will be seamless. Number 2. Duck Brand Winter Window Insulation Kit. Are you tired of high energy bills during the winter? This window kit is designed to help you save money. It creates an airtight seal to block drafts and keep your home warm. This rolled shrink film is easy to install. No measuring is needed, just apply and cut the film to size. All you need are scissors and a hairdryer. For best results, apply it indoors on clean and dry surfaces. This includes painted or finished wood, aluminum, or vinyl. Once installed, the window film is crystal clear and easy to see through. You won't even notice it's there. The kit includes 2 rolls of shrink film and tape. It can insulate up to 10 standard-sized windows. It's a simple and effective way to winterize your home. What we like? This kit creates an airtight seal to block drafts. The rolled shrink film is easy to cut to size, making installation simple. If you like a hassle-free installation and easy removal at the end of the season, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit was super easy to install, and once it's been stretched with the hairdryer, I used a commercial heat gun but same results, it is completely transparent. Our living room actually stays warm now, our heater isn't running constantly and no more draft. I've definitely noticed a difference in my bedroom. There's no longer a draft, and I don't find myself turning up the heat as often. Number 1. Duck Brand Window Insulation Kit, 84x120, 3-pack. Introducing the Duck Brand Window Insulation Kit. This kit is designed to help you save on heating costs by blocking drafts and air leaks. It's an easy and effective solution for your home. Each kit includes crystal clear shrink film and window kit tape. The film is designed to fit extra large windows or patio doors. You'll get 3 kits in one package. Installation is simple and requires just a few tools, measuring tape, scissors, and a hairdryer. First, apply the tape around the window's edge. Then, measure and cut the film to size. This kit's film measures 84 inches by 120 inches, perfect for larger windows and patio doors. Press the film in place, and use a hairdryer to shrink it and remove wrinkles. This product is for indoor use only. For the best results, make sure to clean the window area before installation. The film removes cleanly at the end of the season. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for extra-large windows and patio doors. It effectively blocks drafts and air leaks, helping to lower heating costs. If you have large windows or patio doors and want an easy-to-install and effective solution, you should consider this. What people say. The product works very well in keeping the heat in and the elements out. It has made a huge difference in the temperature of the house already. It was easy to apply smoothly over the top half of the windows. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.